Alright, just looking at a trade I did on the first day of the week, on Sunday, and with dollar Canadian, we noticed that on Friday we sort of got this really strong push up, and the momentum sort of petered out a bit, and this sort of pattern doesn't reveal itself too often, but when it does in certain places and at certain times, it actually creates an amazing setup. And so I actually went short with about 3 positions. As you can see on my deal map, I took the first couple out for 30, 36, 37 pips, and I held the last one for around 143 pips. And actually I was planning to trade a reversal off the bottom, however my buy limit wasn't quite hit, so I missed out on that. But first day of the week, 2 lots of 35 pips and 144 pips, and that's an amazing trade to start the week. And once you learn to understand market structure and how the timing of your entry can be perfected based on market structure, then you can keep your drawdown extremely low. So as you can see from my entry, we went immediately into profit, and now what that does is it allows us to keep incredibly tight stops. It's obviously stop above the high. Oops, that's not a very straight line, but stop just above the high there, and look at the sort of reward that we're getting relative to our risk. So momentum swings in our favor, we go immediately into profit, 0 drawdown on the trade, and massive asymmetric reward to risk. And so this is how we want to trade to get that asymmetric reward to risk, and it's based upon timing when we understand market structure. So if you learn to understand market structure correctly, then your stops can be kept incredibly tight, and the potential is enormous, as I just saw today. So that's an awesome trade to start the week. This is our Monday session here, and I look to get a couple more going into the rest of the week.